What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. And I'm not sure if you actually have any idea where I am. Let me give you a little bit of a hint. That's right, today we are at Mustang Magic here in Deer Park, New York, and we're going to see a legend of Mustang folklore, maybe even spinning the dyno rollers. Let's get inside and take a look. So if you haven't figured it out yet, this is Snakebite. Yes, that's Snakebite. The OG 03 Cobra built by Mustang Magic with the Kenne Bell'd. This is the one. And the owner has spent a lot of time getting it back to its period correct mods. In a minute we'll do a little bit of walk around as they have it strapped to the dyno rollers here, and I mean, it's just amazing. I remember this car when it was new, when the original owner used to drive it around, hand everybody the keys, we used to take it out. It was just a crazy car. I gotta say, it's a great time here at Mustang Magic. A lot of the OG guys, we're all kind of hanging out here, and it's awesome to see Snakebite. So, do me a favor, if you like this video, do me a favor and hit that like button. I mean, when was the last time you saw that thing spinning? Look at that guy. Or better yet, make sure you subscribe to get all the latest content here on the channel. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on the next one.